P2 equals 400 minus 5P1 minus 10P2. And this says, and for 25, find a pair of prices P1 and P2 such that the demands for two products will be equal. So, okay, so we're looking to equalize Q1 and Q2. So we can literally set these two functions equal to each other. Well, in order to do that, if we do that, we will have a single function or a single equation, but we'll have two unknowns. So we need to pick a value for one of our unknowns. Let's pick a value for price one. What do you guys want it to be? $1? $1? Okay. Sure. Let's say that. Let P1 equal $1. Okay. So now we're going to plug in $1 for P1. So we're going to set all this equal. So 300 minus 8 times 1 minus 4P2 equals 400 minus 5 times 1 minus 10P2. And so 300 minus 8 minus 4P2 equals 400 minus 5 minus 10P2. So gosh, let's move the P2s over here and everything else over there. Does that make sense? So let's say we have P2, 9. Morning, Cindy. 6P2 equals, so let's move the 300 over, leaving us 100. Let's move this 8 over here, leaving us plus 3. So what's 100 plus 3? 103. So we'll have 103 over here. Does that make sense, you guys? Okay, so what's P2 gonna be? 10! It's gonna be, it's not gonna be 12, it's gonna be a lot more than that, Jess.
Like 14.
17.16. Okay, so who is the 800-pound gorilla in this fight? Product 1 or product 2? 11! Ooh. Broke the record. But we're not doing this on Thursday, right, guys? Because Thursday's a group test and I will dock you. You're late. None of this on Thursday. Leave early if you have to because it's going to be nasty weather on Thursday. Expect to see everybody here on time. On time or not at all, guys. On time or not at all. Okay.
So,
Does this make sense?
so who is the, you mentioned about the gorilla, the 800,
The 800-pound gorilla. So these two now have equal share in the market, okay? Product 1 and product 2, because their demands are now equal. So the quantity of product 1 is going to equal the quantity of product 2. That's what we did, is we set their demands to be equal.
Okay.
But we're selling product 1 for $1 and product 2 is selling for $17.16. So who's the luxury item and who's the cheap item?
the 1716 is a
Is the
luxury.
luxury item, yeah,
So you're giving one product for nearly free
for nearly free.
to get the other product sold.
Yeah, and they have equal market share. So
Yeah.
yeah.
My question was, when you did let P1 is equal to 1, in the question, what would tell us that this is what we've got to do? Because I was struggling with that.
Okay, so the language of the problem says find a pair of prices such that 12. Find a pair. Sorry, Audrey. Find a pair of prices P1 and P2 such that the demands for the two products will be equal. That's
That
it.
tells you.
So it just says find two prices. So you get to pick one price and then the other price follows along.
Thank you.
The other price follows along. Gesundheit. Any other questions on this one? What's the hardest part?
I was just confused about the price. I didn't know what they were asking for.
Okay. Do you remember in class when I set 1 to 0 and saw the response to the other one was like $8.33? That's exactly what we're doing here.
Stop.
So I'm like, let's say we want the demands to be equal, right? Exactly. Ruby. All right. Any other questions on these guys? Yes, Nikki.
So the price would be one, and just say price two is like 50 cents. That would make price one dominant, right?
Not necessarily. Try it. If you set price 2 to be 50 cents, see what price 1 sells for. Okay? So there's actually an infinite number of solutions here. Yeah. So you'll see that what's happening here is you've got, was it this class that I did the hinky like pieces
Yes.
of paper
Yeah.
torn together and put together? There's an infinite number of solutions. Wherever those two surfaces interact, that line of intersection, that is the number of solutions. So anywhere along that line can create a solution. So if you pick any X value, the corresponding Y value, or any P1 value, the corresponding P2 value, or any P2 value, the corresponding P1 value will give you a solution. Does that make sense? So play around with it.
So you
Set
have
P2 to 50 cents and see what happens to P1.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's either one or the other.
Yeah, pick one and see what the other response variable is going to be. Yeah.
And that's how you know whichever one is more what the reality.
Yeah, you'll get to see which one is dominant in the market that way. Okay. How do you guys feel? Not so bad, right? And that concludes all the new material we've learned this semester. New material is Dunzo chickens. So now we review.